In today's world, financial literacy is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Understanding how to manage your money, invest wisely, and build wealth is crucial for achieving financial security and independence. The lack of financial literacy can lead to poor financial decisions, mounting debt, and an inability to reach important life goals. Therefore, it is essential to equip yourself with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complex world of finance. Investing in your financial education is an investment in your future. One of the most effective ways to increase your financial literacy is by reading books written by experts in the field. These books provide valuable insights, strategies, and practical advice that can empower you to make informed financial decisions. Pat Dorsey's The Little Book That Builds Wealth provides a clear and concise framework for identifying companies that are likely to generate sustainable profits over the long term. The book's central theme revolves around the concept of economic moats, which are essentially competitive advantages that protect businesses from competition and allow them to earn superior returns on invested capital. Dorsey argues that investing in companies with wide and durable economic moats is the key to building lasting wealth. The book's importance lies in its ability to demystify the concept of competitive advantages and provide investors with a practical framework for identifying them. Dorsey outlines 4 key types of economic moats: intangible assets, switching costs, network effects, and cost advantages. Intangible assets include brands, patents, and regulatory licenses that give companies a competitive edge. Switching costs refer to the difficulty and expense customers face when switching from one product or service to another. Network effects occur when the value of a product or service increases as more people use it, creating a virtuous cycle that attracts more users. Cost advantages allow companies to produce goods or services at a lower cost than their competitors, enabling them to offer lower prices or generate higher margins. By understanding these different types of economic moats, investors can identify companies that are best positioned to withstand competition and generate sustainable profits over the long term. Dorsey's book goes beyond simply defining economic moats. It provides readers with a practical framework for identifying companies that possess them. He emphasizes the importance of analyzing a company's financial statements, industry dynamics, and competitive landscape to assess the strength and durability of its economic moat. Dorsey encourages investors to look beyond superficial metrics like price-to-earnings ratios and focus on understanding the underlying economics of the business. He stresses the importance of identifying companies with high returns on invested capital, consistent profitability, and strong free cash flow generation. These financial indicators often signal the presence of a durable competitive advantage. Furthermore, Dorsey advises investors to pay close attention to a company's management team, as their competence and integrity play a crucial role in maintaining and strengthening the company's economic moat over time. Dorsey also cautions against investing in companies with weak or unsustainable competitive advantages. He argues that companies operating in highly competitive industries, facing rapid technological disruption, or relying on fleeting trends are unlikely to generate sustainable profits over the long term. By understanding the characteristics of both strong and weak economic moats, investors can make more informed decisions about where to allocate their capital. To illustrate the concept of economic moats, Dorsey provides numerous real-world examples throughout his book. One such example is Coca-Cola, a company with a wide economic moat built on its iconic brand, global distribution network, and economies of scale. Coca-Cola's brand recognition is unparalleled, giving it immense pricing power and customer loyalty. Its vast distribution network makes it difficult for competitors to match its reach and efficiency. Another example is Microsoft, a company with a strong economic moat based on its dominant market share in the operating system and productivity software markets. Microsoft's Windows operating system has become the industry standard, creating significant switching costs for users. Its Office suite of productivity software enjoys similar dominance, making it difficult for competitors to gain a foothold. These examples demonstrate how companies with strong economic moats can generate sustainable profits and reward investors over the long term. Dorsey also provides examples of companies that have lost their economic moats due to technological disruption, increased competition, or poor management decisions. For instance, companies in the traditional media industry have faced significant challenges as the internet has disrupted their business models. Similarly, companies in the retail sector have struggled to adapt to the rise of e-commerce giants like Amazon. The Little Book That Builds Wealth offers a wealth of actionable insights that investors can apply to their own investment journey. Dorsey's framework for identifying economic moats provides a practical tool for evaluating investment opportunities and constructing a diversified portfolio of high-quality businesses. By focusing on companies with sustainable competitive advantages, investors can increase their chances of achieving long-term financial success. The book also emphasizes the importance of patience and discipline in investing. Dorsey argues that investors should be willing to hold their investments for extended periods, allowing the power of compounding to work its magic. He cautions against short-term speculation and market timing, arguing that these strategies are unlikely to generate consistent returns over time. Instead, Dorsey recommends a long-term buy-and-hold approach that focuses on identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long haul. Furthermore, Dorsey stresses the importance of conducting thorough research and due diligence before making investment decisions. He encourages investors to read company filings, industry reports, and analyst opinions to gain a deep understanding of the businesses they are considering investing in. He also advises investors to be wary of hype and market sentiment, focusing instead on objective data and analysis to support their investment decisions. Pat Dorsey's The Little Book That Builds Wealth provides a compelling roadmap to financial freedom by emphasizing the importance of investing in companies with sustainable competitive advantages. Dorsey's clear and concise explanations of economic moats, coupled with real-world examples, make this book an invaluable resource for investors of all levels. By understanding the principles outlined in the book, investors can make more informed decisions, build a diversified portfolio of high-quality businesses, and increase their chances of achieving long-term financial success. The book's key takeaway is that building lasting wealth requires a focus on identifying companies with enduring competitive advantages. By understanding the different types of economic moats and how to identify them, investors can avoid investing in companies with fleeting advantages and instead focus on businesses that are likely to generate sustainable profits over the long term. Through patience, discipline, and a commitment to thorough research, investors can apply Dorsey's principles to build a portfolio that stands the test of time. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.